Hi, I'm Shweta Varke and I'm a physiotherapist and I have an experience of around 16 years in this field. Physiokinesis will be 3 years old in this November, and the vision of starting Physiokinesis was to basically give a complete rehabilitation to anyone, be it an athlete, a professional athlete, an amateur athlete, or even somebody who is a regular sedentary working person. So basically we created this thing with a closed loop, and that is why we combined all therapies together. That is physiotherapy, which is the basic to educate the patient about their pain and about managing their pain and treating it. Second phase is the massage therapy, that is to relax the patient, and the third phase, which is the strength and conditioning. When it comes to athlete, for example, like Shubham, okay, there is we have to, with the training loads that he has to hit the pool every single day without missing a chance. How we can optimize his performance by reducing the amount of injury or the time he spends to take care of injury is how a physiotherapist will help. So when it comes to swimming, be it short distance or long distance, it's a very dynamic sport, okay, because the water has its own challenges. The water is very dynamic, especially with Shubham when he does sea and open water swimming. Okay, it is a very dynamic environment. And on top of that, the joint which is involved is a shoulder, which is a very dynamic joint. Okay, it allows for 360 degrees of movement, and hence it is constantly on the move. So now when you are a swimmer, there is a lot of load on the shoulder joint, because that's the main muscles or the main action that you use to pull yourself through in water. Yes, your lower body and your core is helping you, but a lot of weight is coming on the shoulder. So when Shubham came to us, he was complaining of pain in the shoulder, and he had cut down his practice of about over 6 hours to 3 hours because of the pain. When we examined Shubham, he had a very tight infraspinatus. Now infraspinatus, to give you all an idea, is a part of the rotator cuff muscle. The shoulder joint, being a very dynamic and an open joint, relies on its stability on a group of muscles called as rotator cuff muscles. So once we examined Shubham, he had a tight infraspinatus. We released it by using dry needling and by using a little bit of deep tissue massage so that all the muscles around the shoulder joint eased, and we put him on a rehab program which helped him to strengthen his scapular muscles, his rotator cuff muscles, and we have told him to include these exercises as a part of his training warm up even before he goes into the pool or after he gets out of the pool, to maintain the stability of the shoulder joint. And Shubham has improved tremendously in his practice. He's back to his 6 hours of practice and absolutely no pain. So as you see, we are again getting here back to our vision of equipping the athlete with the tools of how to take care of his problems, and that's how Shubham, wherever he's in the world, he knows how to take care of his shoulder. So this is in short about Physiokinesis, which is here in Thane.